one more day and then it's the weekend. So, I hope you enjoy your weekend with your mommies and daddies and whoever else, and I hope you're relaxing at home and enjoying those next 2 days. Today we are still learning about insects, of course, but we're going to do something super duper cool today. So, if you have glasses at home or goggles, go get them and put them on because you're going to become a scientist today for this lesson. So, I have my glasses right here. I'm going to just put them quickly on. Just check. Okay, they're on the right way, and I look like a scientist more than I did before without the glasses. So, for today's question of the day, it is, which one is an insect? And the learning target is, I can name one reason this is an insect. Okay, do you see where Miss Trophy got that from? Perfect. So, before we start, I'm gonna put the sheet up. Let me just introduce that first. As you can see, this sheet, and it has all the things at the bottom, whether it's an insect or not an insect. You're gonna sort them into the insect column or not the insect column. So we're gonna use the chart behind me to figure out if it is an insect and why, or if it's not an insect and why. So get your scientist goggles on if you have. If not, that's okay. If you want to create scientist goggles, you can use toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. You might even have other objects at home that you can use as goggles too. Those are the ones that just came off the top of my head. So these images are going to be listed at the bottom. And if you don't have access to a printer here, don't worry, because Miss Trophy found a really cool website where there's fun educational games about bugs on the website, so you can sort insects on the website if you don't have access to the sheet, or you can do both, because doing both of them would be so much fun. So, I'm going to show you the first image. What is this? Can you guys see? It is a ladybug. Do you think this ladybug is an insect? Why or why not? Take a quick look at it. Look at all of its characteristics and features. Look at the parts of this ladybug. Is it an insect or not? So I see that this ladybug has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 what? 6 legs. So I'm going to go look at my chart over here. And I can take a picture of this chart and also post it if you guys would like at home. So you can also follow along on that. And I see that this one has 2 antennas at the top, so check. I see a head, and I see 6 legs. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that this little ladybug, which you guys can also color, is an insect. So we are going to glue her onto the insects section. So I got some glue, and I'm just gonna stick my little ladybug up there. And now you can see on my paper we have 1 insect. I'm gonna try to trick you right now. Let's see if I can do that. What is this? If you said it's a spider, you are correct. But the question is this spider an insect or not an insect? Can you see? Look at all the characteristics of this object. Maybe look at the legs. Let's count those. Let me get a little closer so I can point to them. Can you see? So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me count that again. Maybe I did it wrong. 1, because I know an insect only has 6 legs because our chart says so. So let's count the legs again just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted 8 again. Did you guys count 8 with me? And an insect only has 6. And this is too many legs to be an insect. So he is just a spider. So he's going to go on the not an insect section. So I'm going to get my glue out again. I'm going to just glue it. And I'm going to just put it right on there. So at home today with your glasses or goggles to become a scientist, I want you to look super duper close at the images on the bottom to check if they are an insect or not an insect. Remember the characteristics of an insect. 2 antennas, 3 body parts, so a head, a thorax, and an abdomen at the bottom. And it has 6 legs. That's so important about an insect. That's like one of the most important facts about an insect is that insects only have 6 legs. And this ladybug did have 6 legs. But this spider, how many legs did the spider have? We counted it twice. How many? If you said 8, you are correct, which makes him not an insect because an insect can only have 6. It can only have 6 legs, not 8. So you're going to use your goggles today and figure out if some of these objects are insects or not insects. I hope you guys have so much fun doing this project because I had so much fun doing it myself. And there is also going to be a sorting game that you can play on the computer too. So have fun and have a great weekend. Miss Santos is going to come on and also tell you other features that you should be looking for to figure out if it's an insect or not an insect or not an insect. Bye, friends. Have a great weekend.
So, can my friends tell me what is an insect and what is not an insect? We have a butterfly right here, and we also have a caterpillar. Yes, a caterpillar does become a butterfly. But they still have differences. So remember, an insect has 6 legs. Does the caterpillar have 6 legs? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are also legs on the other side. So we would be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, my butterfly has how many legs? You can't really see in this picture, but I will count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does a caterpillar have 3 main parts? Does it have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen? Do you see 3 different parts of the caterpillar? Or do we see 3 different parts of a butterfly? So remember, friends, I will go ahead and grab my picture that I created so we could better see. This is another butterfly that you've seen before. This butterfly has an abdomen, a thorax, a head, antennas, and they also have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, my friends, which one do you think is an insect? If you said that a butterfly was an insect, you are correct. A caterpillar is not an insect. It will become an insect after it goes through the life of becoming a butterfly. It sounds a little bit confusing, yes, but you will learn more about it very soon. Good job, guys.